Question number 1. Adil, Barbara and Colette share $680 in the ratio 9:7:4. Part A. Show that Adil receives $306. Sum of ratio. Equals 9 plus 7 plus 4, which is equal to 20. And ratio for Adil is 9. 9 over 20 of 680. Nine over 20 times 680 is 306. So Adil receives $306. Part B. Calculate the amount that Barbara and Colette each receives. Barbara receives ratio for Barbara is 7 over 20 of 680. 7 over 20 of 680 is 238. And Colette receives ratio for Colette is 4 over 20 of 680. 4 over 20 times 680 is 136. Barbara receives $238 and Colette receives $136. Next is question number 3, part A. The price of a house decreased from $82,500 to $77,500. Calculate the percentage decrease. Percentage decrease is equal to 82,500 minus 77,500 over 82,500 multiplied by 100. 82,500 minus 77,500 over 82,500 multiplied by 100 is 6.0666. Correcting it to 2 decimal places, this is 6.07. Part B. Roland invests $12,000 in an account that pays compound interest at a rate of 2.2% per year. Calculate the value of his investment at the end of 6 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest dollar. Invested amount is $12,000 and compound interest is 2.2%. So 1 plus 2.2 over 100. Value of investment at the end of 6 years raised to power 6 is equal to 12,000 into 1 plus 2.2 over 100 raised to power 6 is 13,673.72. And we have to give answer correct to the nearest dollar. So this will be 13,674. $13,674. Next is question number 10, part A. In 2017, the membership fee for a sports club was $79.50. This was an increase of 6% on the fee in 2016. Calculate the fee in 2016. Let's say fee in 2016 was X. Then 1 plus 6 over 100 of X equals 79.50. So X is equal to 79.50 over 1 plus 6 over 100. 79.50 over 1 plus 6 over 100 is 75. So fee in 2016 was $75.